Howdy babes, we're gonna go to Ikea because I'm messy. So I think more organizers will help. More organizers will totally help me. I get the front seat. Okay. Okay, where to go? Alright. Both? Bay 4. What is Bay 30? Yeah, Bay 4. Alright. Oh, I can't turn. Let's go, parents.
Còn em đã cái chạy qua bên này đừng làm kéo không mà.
Okay, so originally I had a couple designs. I'm trying to figure out. I don't like this. I'm gonna fix it. Okay, so I had a good design, and then vetoed it. This is like the desk design that I want. We figuring it out. It's pretty. Yeah, this is like my current room, and this is like the design that like I might have to do, and this is the design that I want. Arguably, I realized that these aren't gonna fit because it's that tight. But there's a window here, and it's bad feng shui to sleep here, and there's a mirror here, so that's even worse feng shui. So I can't, because imagine me sleeping here and I look this way and I'm like, it's me, and then I sleep up and I look up and I see a fucking demon. So we're getting that removed, and then we're gonna throw the existence of this chair out because I'm gonna be doing homework here. Room tour, the dark side, the light side. Here's the wall art that I figured out. The side's unfinished. Will be a shelf. Yeah, I'm glad I kept the chair, because otherwise I think this would be a little too dumb.